Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Android version and that the phone app is the default. Once done, unlock the phone and open the phone app directly. Tap the three-dot menu or the settings gear to access call controls because blocking options live there. Make sure caller ID and spam or call blocking is visible. If not, update the phone app. Now pause only to allow permissions if prompted, then proceed to the call blocking section to begin action. You'll now configure the rules. Open call blocking or block numbers inside settings. Tap Add a number to enter specific digits, or enable the setting to block unknown or private callers. This blocks calls with no caller ID. If your phone app offers spam protection, enable it to automatically filter likely spam. Once these toggles are set, verify that block numbers show in the list and that inbound behavior is set to decline or send to voicemail, because that controls what happens next. Finish by testing. Place a test call from an unknown or second phone to confirm blocking works. If you still receive unwanted calls, make sure permissions were granted and reboot the device. Then check your carrier's call block settings because some carriers override device filters. Also update the phone app and Android system. If problems persist, install a reputable third-party call blocking app and configure it. One key troubleshooting tip: if calls bypass blocking, contact your carrier to ensure network-level blocking isn't required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.